Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a little while, I guess, since I've been here. Um, oops. I hope I hope you're all well and stay safe with all this that's going on with the virus. Anyhow, if you have to go out there, please try to keep your distance from others and just stay safe. And it's incredible what's going on. Anyhow, keep your family safe and stay home as much as you can, okay? Anyhow, um, I received some happy mail yesterday, and it's from Elizabeth Brewer, as you all know, as aka Lizzie Brewer, and that's the name of her YouTube channel. So go and check her out. Give her some love. Subscribe to her. She's an awesome lady, incredible, beautiful soul. Um, just go and see her, watch her. She's amazing. All the different crafts and that she does. Anyhow, like I said, she's an awesome person. She also has a Facebook group, which I am a member of also. It's called Scrappin' Lizzie Unicorns. That's right, she's the head unicorn of the group. An amazing group of people, you know. Everybody's all supportive and some incredible artists and crafters within that group. So please go and join us. Anyhow, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see in the background, there's some colors and some stamping and that, but here's a unicorn and a little rainbow and some stars. Anyhow, and on the back, the unicorn sticker and the word magical. Anyhow, so I did open this and now let's see, because I'm just going to move that there. And she sent me a whole bunch of goodies because, oh my God, I love this stuff. I love stuff that is old. There are treasures from the past, and once they're gone, you can't get them back. And if you have, we need to preserve them. Okay, um, just to remember things that have the past and bring it back alive and how people lived and it's so important. Anyhow, I really love stuff like this. Okay, so this is, um, I don't know from what year. Oh, in a minute. This is a party invitation. Remember when those were used to send out? I remember a little girl sometimes they get an invitation to go to a friend's to have a party, a birthday party, a party that will beat all. Sure, going to drum up a jolly time. There you go. Look at that. So cute. And it says, anyone as nice as you won't have to crash the gate, because here's your invitation with the time, the place, and date. And this was from May 5th. Somebody's birthday was May 5th, 1949. Wow. By Angela's. Looks like, yep. Anyhow, I can't really make out the writing. But anyhow, look at that. Look at that, the age of the paper. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Libby. I love stuff like this. Oh, she sent me. Okay. Flower bouquet. And this must be Tim Holtz. This is one of Tim Holtz's paper dolls. And Look at that beautiful butterfly. Now, let's see. Also, someone had sent Lizzie a whole bunch of, here, wait a minute, just going to do this one here. Flashcard, and you could tell like it's aged because of the color of it. It's turning like a yellow color. That's awesome. Okay. Somebody had sent Lizzie a box, and I forget who it was, of some ephemera from the time past, and sent her some postcards. So this one is Easter greetings. It's a postcard. This one doesn't have the year on it. You can tell it says here, I can't make out what it says. And yeah, somebody wrote on it. And yeah, okay, I love these stuff. Anyhow, and here's another one. Eastertide greetings. This one is, it says from Mother. And it was to sing all the water, some of the ink. It looks like it might be Harvey M. Stahl, to Harvey M. Stahl. And that's another one. Easter greetings. That's beautiful. And okay, this one has a date. This was sent from Mother to Miss Viola, looks like Hosteler from St. John's, and I guess it's Michigan. And it's the date is on here, April 19th, 1908. That's incredible. Thank you so much, Lizzie. I really love this. Thank you so much. And wow, look at this. This is a check. May 25th, 1915. Look at that. Wow, I love that. Look at this. That's incredible. Wow, I love that. And it's quality paper it's on. My goodness. You don't get checks with paper like that. And here's something, another one. The First National Bank, and this is dated April 19th, 1924. See that? It's in college currency. That's what it says there. So paid to the order of the Commercial Bank, and it has J.M. Hastings by Ruth Dawson, attorney. Oh, there you go. And let me see. Oh, I love this. Open this up. That's a picture of a lady. I just try. Eva Seabrook Dreyer or something. I can't really make up the writing. Look at that. Beautiful. I love this envelope. Awesome. And look at this. Needlecraft magazine. 10 cents per copy. October 1924. Look how beautiful that is. You see that? On the other side. Look at that. Laying the cornerstone. Advertising for cream of wheat. That's beautiful. that page. Needlecraft Magazine. Love that. That's the back of it. Advertising for Ivory soap. Look at that image. Anyhow, like I said, I really love stuff like this, like from years gone by. Anyhow, so Elizabeth, thank you so very much, Lizzie. I really appreciate this, what you sent to me. It's a beautiful stuff. I love it. And especially this little birthday card invitation. That's awesome. Thank you so much for sending me these postcards. And like I said, guys, go and check her out. And come and join us on the Scrappin' Lizzie Unicorn Facebook page, Facebook group. And look up Lizzie Brewer on YouTube and subscribe to her. And okay, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you later. Ciao.